Hello Rizwan. Hello Cameron. How are you? I am fine and you? I am really good. So which topic we are going to learn today? Center of gravity. Center of gravity? Yes. What is that? Center of gravity is the point where whole weight of the body appears act vertically downward. So how can we find the center of gravity for regular shape object? Regular shape objects. For example, let's suppose if we have a rectangle, so what? Its center of gravity will be its center of symmetry, or if we will draw its diagonals, then the point where diagonals intersect with each other will be its center of gravity. Wow, magic. Then, for example, for circle, its center of gravity will be the center of the circle. Now I will give you a challenge. How can we find the center of gravity for this irregular shape object? What to do? Okay, there are two methods or two techniques to find the center of gravity of irregular shape object. Number one, yes, number one, hold this, yes, thank you very much. Don't stand free. Okay. First of all, try to balance this irregular shaped body on your fingertip or any pointed tipped body. But it will not give you the 100% accurate center of gravity. Then what to do? You will tell me. I will tell you. I think we will use this. What is this? Oh, this is plumb line? Yes! This we will use to find the center of gravity for irregular shaped object. So let's we find the center of gravity. But tell me, what is the purpose of this plumb line in daily life? So we can check the straightness of the wall. The masons which build the house, they will use it to check whether the wall is straight or it is curved. Okay, now let's proceed. What will be the steps? Steps number one, that we will punch 3 holes at different place, and the holes should be far apart from each other. Okay, let's see. Number one. Okay, we will make it fine so that there will be no problem. Hold this. Okay, I will put this in my pocket. That's good job. Hold this marker as well. Thank you. Make this point away from each other. Yeah. Cannot you see? I can see now. Yes, hold this. Really nice. Good thing. Put in your pocket. Number 3. 3 holes are quite enough. Okay. So can I show it to the students? Yes. Oh, take a minute. Make it fine. Now, so you can keep that with you. Oh, it's my job now. Okay, students. So you can see that there are 3 holes, and these holes are far away from each other. Now, what we will do? We will hang this on this iron nail, and then what to do? So now you can see that it is moving, and then it will become stationary or at rest. When it will become at rest, then what you will do? You will place the plumb line on the nail like this one. Okay, Rizwan. Now, what is the next step? The next step, that is the marker. We will draw a line with the straightness of plumb line, the thread of the plumb line. Okay, then now shift. So we will label this A, B and C. Okay, now we will move it towards point B. So let me remove it. and then I will fix it at point B. And then I will hang it. Excuse me. There is one precautionary measure. When you will hang it at any point, either it's A, B or C, let it move freely and let it to be at rest. So when it will become at rest, then we will hang this plumb line, which you can see over here, into the nail. Now it is almost at rest, so just we will hang plumb line. Okay, now I will draw the line parallel to the thread of plumb line. That's good. Yeah, very nice. Keep it up. See what he is doing. You have to do the same when you will be performing that experiment at your home. So now we have two lines which are intersecting each other. Now the final is the point C. We will take it out from point B and then hang it point C, so it is at rest, and then okay. Now we will draw the line with the help of the scale, and then a straight line, and it should nearly cut the intersection of the other two lines, and it is exactly so. Now that point where the all three lines are cutting is its center of gravity. In order to verify that this point is its center of gravity, what we will do, we will hang it from this point. Now you can see it is being suspended, nice. So it is the verification of the point of center of gravity.
This is really a magic,
isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Okay, stay tuned with the Physics Gurus.